Okay, let's start. This is August 9th, and the market has been going stupid. It almost crashed and then it went up. And SAVA is not going to be the winner today. I tell you that. A lot of others are out there, but SAVA, I took my money out a little bit and got back down to 100 because SAVA started fluttering when that's what they normally do because it's still in phase three. But let's look at our tool. I got another one I'm looking at because a lot of them fizzled over the last week, and we had almost a crash on this. But we're gonna look at our tool. I got COMM. I started picking up. I went shopping. I took money out and went shopping. And this is the one I was looking at right now. COMM. Yeah, I only bought a few of them because they high in price. They were around $164 a share, but that's it's less than Tesla. But it's 38% below estimated value. Earnings are forecast to grow 11% this year. I mean, every year, and earnings grew, pay a dividend, and trading at good comparable peers. Analysts, it's good agreement that the stock price will rise. Okay, so let's look at this real quick because this we got only a few minutes, and you can see it was up, 200 and some dollars, and now it's down to one. It was 156, and I think I got it around that time. I don't know, somewhere around there. Insiders' intention to sell stock and all these other things. So we're gonna see what the insiders did. It's up 0.6%, but over the year it's up like 42%. Okay. Look at the valuation. Everything is green. So that's a good price. It's supposed to be fair value, is supposed to be 268. See, so I got it at a good price. I think I got it at 162 or 163 a share. And I only bought 10 of them because I should have bought more, but right now the market is where it's supposed to be. It's pulling back, and then what? AMD is the high of that, but this QCOM is it's even higher than AMD right now as far as price. I think AMD went down like 130 or 120 something. I might buy it back today, but I think I did buy it back. Let's see what happens. Um, Analyst price target, and you can see this is a good stock. Pass criteria and check. They good checks. Quality earnings, growing profits. Okay. Return on investments is good. All these key indicators, short-term liabilities, long-term is good. Debt level is good, reducing debt, all that. Look at that. It's got interest covered. This is a good stock. Upcoming dividend, they pay a decent dividend. Stable division. I might even get out of some others. Buy some more if it's still around 162. Or if it go down a little lower, I go ahead and buy even more. The CEO, his compensation is a little high. That's what they say it's red. Earnings versus earnings. But hey, he's CEO. He's making he's experienced management, experienced board. And these folks been taking because they make good profits, so they take some of their profits out. Okay. Insider buying, it's institutional stock in the general public, and they got some other, but institutions 77% of that. Guess who owns the most? The top two would be Vanguard and BlackRock. Talking about 100 and some million shares. Got billion, got 14 billion. T. Rowe Price and all this other. Look at that who's who of folks. Your pensions and the Charles. Everybody's in there. So that was a good pickup, But right now, like I say, the market went almost down. Okay, I got about 10 minutes, if that. Let's reshare our screen. Let's go and see what we got. Okay. Okay. This is These are the big boys. I got these are my business side. So you know that's QCOM right here. It's going as 160. I bought it 162. It's 164, so I haven't made any money off of it yet. So let me pick up. Uh, I'll wait. I'm gonna let it drop a little more, and then if it drops, I'm buy the dips. I buy 10 more because SCC I only bought 10, and it's going back and forth. So I bought 10. These two right here, I really want. I'm anxious to get these two, QCOM and SMCI. This is a deal. Believe me, this one was $1,000, and this one, like you say, is 200 something. So those are the ones you go shopping. I might even put some of my own money back into this. I can't let my money sit while these two are so low. I might put 10 more thousand of my money. I took it out, but I might put 10,000 of my money and buy these two, and then make a little money. And then by September, hopefully, these two will be pretty good. But look at this. AT&T is just constantly, but it's slow, but it's getting to where it's supposed to be. Tesla is going back and forth. I told you I don't count Tesla out. TTO, I got still 1,000 over there. And at VX, I pull that down to 100. So I got some money. I want to put some more. I'm gonna put some more money in the stock. I'm gonna wait till it's settled because my friend the Fed is going to cut interest rates. And now these guys, you can't. I got already 100 on NVIDIA, and I got 10 here on Microsoft. And until CrowdStrike situation go, I'm gonna leave that alone. Um, Intel, I still only got 50 on Intel. I'm gonna leave it at that because that's still going down. They had bad earnings. They got to restructure. I got I got 162 on Google. I did pick up Google, and I picked up this one right here. I like this one, even though it's called it's comms. It's one of these software industry. I like this one. It has some good reviews. So I picked up 1,000 of them because it's only two something. It's supposed to be about 11, $12, I believe. I do something on it next week so you can see it. This one right here, I'm still holding on for this particular one too. This is the clean fuel one. So I don't want to take this one out either. I got AMD. I might AMD go back and forth. See, AMD is 134, and that's in the same family as this QCOM. Apple, even though Buffett took his stuff out, Apple is still holding its own. That's what I like about Apple. They holding their own. NVIDIA, see, these are all the big boys. SCMIC, they're going up. I told you I took all my money off of SAVA over on this side, on my business side, but I still got it. But I had to take at least, I'm not gonna lose no a whole. I had about 12,000. I waited till it went halfway. I said, "Nick, I'm not going to do that." So I took about 7,000 out and took this whole thing out. So we'll see, what's going on with them later on. When they drop them, we'll buy some more back. Tesla, TTO, VXRT. These are the big boys over here. So now I go back to my personal side. Okay. Personal account, individual brokerage account. And this is the one I'm looking at too. Amazon, I put Amazon on here because I say this is Amazon didn't know what they want to do. So I got them at 154. But you can see they back. They back, but I only got 10 of them. This is Broadcom. And this is big boy. I gotta eventually trade it back over on the other side because I got this down to 143. This one's about 148 now. So they started to make a run. And CrowdStrike, they still, it's still, I bought it at 218. It went out there. I think that was the resistance. And it's up, it's up to 240. It went all the way up to like 248 or something, 240 something. But CrowdStrike is another one, $300 stock. This one is just good. That goes back and forth between 21 cents but they're gonna reverse split pretty soon. Like when they reverse split, this is one of these car industries, electric cars. I don't know whether I want to get rid of it altogether. This one, I'm gonna keep in there anyway. Hims and her, I picked that one back up. You got it. This is medical. Him and hers, him and something. I think it's him and hers. Yeah, him and hers, a health industry. This is a winner, folks. So I picked it back up on my low side, and I mean my this side over here, because these are the ones waiting for the big boys. Uh, Mo, I think this is enough for them. I tried to go. I told them I'll last a week. I can't last no more than a week on you, and you're not doing it, especially if you're $40-some a share. So if you're not doing anything after a week, it's telling me, say, get rid of that thing. So I'm getting rid of it. Maybe about five. Uh, no, I didn't make me but about $10, but it still was the $10 I made. This one I'm gonna keep until it reverse split or do something, but it's on the NASDAQ. I got 1,000 of them. I think this is one of those ocean ones, ocean power technology, and let's see what happens with it. Uh, then you got Red Cat. Red Cat, he started going up after the earnings, so I said I'm gonna see what they're gonna do, see what the end gonna be on it. I got 100 of them. SAVA, see, it's going all the way down to $21. Went all the way up to 30 something. Remember, I got it at 9. Went all it's still double. I'm still doubling my price, but I got $1,200 over here. I'm not, yeah. I wish I'm waiting for it. If it could go back to 9, I pick it up on the other side, because I know what it's gonna be in the long run. I get it back to my 1,000. I head over there. But right now, I just took it out, and I'm gonna leave it alone. Serve, it went down. I'm gonna keep the hair serve. I made a little money on it. I made about 50. I took 50. I said, and then I wait to serve. It's related to this robotics. It's related to NVIDIA. So we're gonna see what, when NVIDIA is going down, they going down. Video go up, they go up. So I'm going to leave. I got 50 of them, and let's see. I made a little money on it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Then it's SG. My son sent me that. This is just clean stuff. So yeah, I think I might buy 20 of these. I can't. They had good earnings, so I'm gonna buy 10 more of these. I might buy 10 more on the other side too. 10. I might buy 10, and before the stocks go down. Okay. Yeah, I buy 10 more. Okay, it's $34 and something. And so, and I buy about another 10, 20 on the other side too. I buy on this right here, SG. Since I don't have any on that side, I'll go ahead and get SG on this side. Let's see what happens. I give it a week. If it don't do nothing, I leave it alone. So I'm gonna buy 20 on this side and see what I get. Okay. I want to buy it before the market closes, because it might go up. And I just want to have 40 all together. So let's see what happens. And let's look at both of them now. We got about 2 minutes. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'm losing a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna put some more money in the market over the weekend. And but I like the way it's looking. See, Coca, look at this one right here. This one is shocking me for a while, because I just said I'm gonna buy 1,000 because I read it. I really like it. It's supposed to be really up there. And we're gonna do something on it next week, because you guys got to get into this. It's only $2. I bought it at 262. It's 285 now. So this one might be a winner. This is the winner for the day. I think this is out winning every one of them. Okay, this is my winner. Uh, we'll look at it next week. See, look at Chipotle trying to do something. I bought at 50. It should be 65. So Chipotle ain't doing it. They lost me money. They not up there yet. Apple is doing what Apple do. This one right here, I don't know whether I should take it out or not. I like that. It's clean energy. Well, it can be clean energy next week. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like to lose it just to be losing. Okay. Okay, so I sell it and then come back, look at it again next week. If it's trying to do something, I might be regret. I got a lot of stuff in here. I got the rest of them is big boys. CrowdStrike is still trying to see CrowdStrike. They fighters. This is just the one I'm just gonna hold. I don't care until, because this one is good. Hims and Hers is doing something. I'm at 4 o'clock now. You can see the winner. See, SAV is the loser this week, because I took money out. because it was up to 30 and now it went all the way, it went almost as high as 40, but now it's back down to 21 and it's going to keep going down. I think it's going to keep going down. And then I'm going to go buy it back again. I made about 7,000 on this one alone. But the other ones took was really, it just held me steady, okay, during the week. SG is doing okay. I like the SG is still doing something. Let's see. MCI. Okay. We'll see what happens with that. That's a big boy. I'm gonna get some more of these next week. I'm gonna decide whether this week put some more money in Tesla. It's marked at 200, so it's making a little money. But the winner is this week is going to be my friend. See, oh, I'm glad I kept that one. Yeah, very good. I'm gonna have to do some more research on this one right here. This one is one of those technical companies, one of those software development or internet type thing, comms, and we're gonna look at it next week. But the rest, yeah, you got I'm still held holding steady. Now I still got 7,000. I'm gonna put about 10 more, so that'd be 17,000 by the. But I don't know. I just might leave it alone and see what I can how these gonna jump, because when the Fed cut Nvidia, you better look at Nvidia. Nvidia is really, I got it at $97. I hit it at 93. I took it out, but I could have taken this out, make another $500-600. But NVIDIA, and look at SAVA and all the rest. But the winner in this on Friday, it is COOTM, and it's still low enough for you guys to get in. Okay, let me stop sharing. God bless you. God keep you. God call His face to shine on you and give you peace. I see you next Monday if the Lord will. See you Monday and see what we got.